If you've just bought a new pair of AirPods 4 and you're running into connection fixes or other glitches, resetting them is often the best fix. Resetting can also help if you simply want to clear all data and start fresh for a smoother experience. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your AirPods 4 with ANC using a few simple steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On other AirPod models, you will need to press and hold on to the AirPod in the back of your AirPods charging case to reset, but AirPods 4 has a touch response. So if you want to reset this model, then you will have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, and 2 times. At this point, the light should be blinking red. If it doesn't work, then close the lid and open it again. Then repeat the tapping process. This time it'll work. Now it will blink in red a few times and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, you can just go on and connect it to your preferred device. So guys, that's it for today. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more solutions just like this. Thanks a lot for watching.